For more tech videos, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to backup IMEI, Wi-Fi MAC address and Bluetooth address from Lenovo A850 in your PC. First, you have to root your device and install USB drivers in your PC. I already uploaded a video about how to install USB drivers for Lenovo A850 in PC. And if you don't know how to install it, link of that video is given in description. Watch that video. After that, download MTK Droid root and tools in your PC. Link to download is given in description. And connect your phone to your PC using USB cable, and you have to enable USB debugging in your phone. Now you will see your phone's information in the screen and click on IMEI or NVRAM button. Now a window will open. You can see your phone's IMEI number. Now click on backup button. Now backup is complete. Now go to MTK Droid root and tools folder and open backup NVRAM folder. There you will see two files. One is a compressed tar file and another is .bin file. You can flash NVRAM.bin file through SP flash tool to write IMEI, Wi-Fi, MAC address and Bluetooth address in your phone. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.